We are back, and we're gonna play Don't Press the Piggy Head. Don't press the Piggy Head. Oh, okay, don't do it. Run. Okay, not yet. The loading screen. Loading the screen, loading the screen. No, I fell. What? Where am I? A daily reward. Hey, what the? I need my daily reward. Come on. Wait, are there eggs? No, why would I think that? There are no eggs. I wish I had Robux. I wish I had Robux. Oh my god. What?
This is just a really strong Pokemon.
Adamant. Wait. No, I did not mean to do that. Oh god, no. That's for $19. I already have Adamant, but as you can see, yeah. It won't let me talk, which is sad. So that means I cannot do an Adamant. We'll just try to do it in the next video. But we're doing some parkour. Boom! No, I'm in this. I can still do this. I can still do this.
Can I swing my webs? This is incredible. This is amazing.
Okay.
Are you really doing this?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes, you are really rocking.
Oh, wait. Hey, wait. I still have my speed. Oh, wait, do I have to run? Wait, what are those? Do I have to jump over those? Hey, how did you get over there? Boom. Wait, thank you for letting me keep the speed. Boom. Oh, I have to kill myself. Yeah, I was playing around. Oh. No. Give me the coin. I have no idea what this is all for. Oh, it's for this stuff. Seriously? I'll buy this. And this. Oh my! Wait. This shark head. I'm a great parkourer. Well, I don't think you believe me because I failed at the speed parkour. I don't think I'm just good at speed run parkour, but I'm good at random parkour. I mean, how did I just die? Shark, you can't get me. Did you work? I thought I already got it. I did. Hey, I'm gonna make it up. I can't. What? I literally don't understand. What's wrong? I am not touching the ground. I thought I bought pizza too. Didn't I buy pizza too?
Oh, it gives me a plane. It makes a lot of sense. I'll just teleport everybody here. Everybody please
okay, bye. There you go, I have pizza. Pizza. Oh, wait, that's okay, that's lava. That is lava. I see lava. I am a horrible... Yes, a cheat. What? Give me a cheat. I want to cheat. No. I want to cheat. Yes. Look, guys are winning. Don't do it. I thought he was gonna push me. Lifetime items. I really want this. Oh, wait, there's a ship over there. The Dodge. Dude, that's so bright. The yellow ones are so bright. I can fit through there. Oh my god. I'm doing it like a professional. Whoever just finds a way that just is the pathway to survive. That's kind of like something. I land on one. No. How? I'm a god. I didn't die. Seriously, that's a cool spaceship. Okay. It's done. What's happening?
As soon as she learns the keystrokes in order
Oh, there's 40 seconds. Oh. What? Everyone's. Oh God. No. No. No, I'm going to yellow. Let me get up. I'm coming. Boom. Oh. I'm gonna press the piggy head. I pressed the piggy head. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. You're doing really good already. These guys kill you? No, they don't. I think I'm proving that I'm really good. Alright. Finish. What did I get? I just get a coin? Seriously? What? Come on! I earned about nothing. Oh my gosh. Is that lava? Everybody, climb the volcano. I died from a bunch of green stuff. Dude, I'm dying from fall damage, I think. There's a lot of meteors. Well, okay. Dude, these meteors. I want to press. I think I pressed the. Oh, I'm not feeling my worst nemesis. Jump. I can't jump. It was broken. Dude, I cannot jump. I was not able to jump. This game is broken. Well, this parkour is broken. I watched a YouTuber complete this easily, and he was perfectly fine. Okay, run. Don't. Wait, is this seriously all there is? But I hope it's not. Okay, we survived. Okay, but not really. What is this? Oh, this. I wish I had my super speed. Oh no. I would probably do something a little dumb. I could jump. I could just jump all day. I jumped. How did that knock it over me? Ooh. Boom. I am jumping like I never did before. Is that all? Wait, I was jumping. Wait, was I jumping the right way or the wrong way? What the? Wait, why am I over here? Why am I over there? Where was I over? Oh my god. Another shark. That's it. I'm doing it. I'm taking it easy. But I want coins. I almost just died. From not... Okay, that was not taking it easy. But what's wrong with my screen? My screen is just turning white. I just watched over water. Dude, I'm just randomly jumping and it's really annoying me and I'm somehow not dead. What do I get for this? Did everyone else seriously do what I think they did? Did they seriously die? How do I finish? I actually have no idea how you finish. Wait, what the heck? Wait. Oh, more meteors. Great. I need coins. Oh, God. Oh. Give me this. I don't think standing on a tree would help, guys. Oh, why is it so bright? Oh, my God. Wait, I'm still on. What the? Stop it. I'm the spleef. I shall not die. Yank, 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 dude. Yank, yank, dude. Yeah, this is very bright. Pressing it. I'm the one who, oh my goodness. People might start to hate this because it's like the third time in a row this is played. I'm just randomly jumping, and it's kind of really annoying. And I think I already said that. Dude, I'm jumping on the coin. Look, I'm jumping on the coin. I did not just die. No, no, I shall not die. I shall not fail this parkour. I shall not fail you. I shall not fail you guys. Good. No! No. Have we already done this? Fine. Bye. Wait, no, we're not in the game, in the app. Okay, now we are.